Yay, it's midway. Today is day 15 of me trying to be a content creator. In the last 15 days, I have come so far in this journey. I am learning videography, cinematography, lighting, editing, color grading from absolute scratch, and it might seem overwhelming a lot of times. But the thing that I am trying to do is to sort of take one step at a time. The first thing that I did is try and understand my mobile camera better. The next step that I did was trying to figure out my lighting. This is something that I've still not been able to do, so I'll try doing that in the upcoming 15 days that is left. The third thing is video editing. I've started learning DaVinci Resolve from scratch. I'm also doing a very tiny course on VN Editor and the basics that can be used. But one thing I'm here to talk about is that when I started off this journey, I was focusing more on creating content around like tools, very basic things. I was not going into depth, and then I realized that I want to explain concepts more. I want to talk about the things that I'm really enjoying, how I am doing it, and bring that process out to you. I have actually planned out the next 15 days content as well on what is going to be the overall flow. Not just that, I actually have another idea for my next 30 days of content creation, which is very interesting, but I'll talk about it a little later.